In this short video, I want to share with you 3 reasons why you possibly lost the last job that you bidded on or quoted on to a lower price. Now you might think, well, it's all about the price. Well, I don't ever really think it's always all about the price. In some cases, it may be, but a very small percentage. So think about the last time you lost out on winning a job and it was communicated to you that you were just too high. The price was too high. Someone else came in at a lower price. Now, you can rest on your laurels and think, geez, if I want to win more work, I've got to reduce my prices. But let me share with you 3 things to consider. Firstly, it's the wrong client. If you're pitching or presenting or positioning yourself to someone who is all about the price, that is not the customer I'm going to suggest that is for you. So it's the wrong market, the wrong customer. And there's ways to actually qualify and disqualify that person earlier on in the process. You know, I'm sure that you've experienced someone who's a price shopper, someone who will, no matter what the quality, always go for bottom dollar. I'm going to suggest again, that is not the marketplace that you could be playing in or need to be playing in, yeah? So you've got the wrong target client, you've got the wrong customer in the first place. Secondly, there's no difference between what you presented and the other company that they chose that they went for at a lower price. So I want you to think about this. When the last time you bought something at a price higher than you thought you were going to pay, what was the reason for that? I'm going to suggest that there was a difference. You saw some extra value. And so in your case, if you can't clearly articulate how your business is different, not necessarily better, because everybody says they're better. We offer better product, better service, better follow-up, yada, yada, yada. No, it's not just better. Different is better. How is your business different? Do you have a brand promise? Do you have a guarantee? Do you have something in writing? Do you have all of this backup support that people can see the value? And it's important here that you have the ability to articulate the value. Because again, if it's just presented as, this is the outcome, this is the price, you've done the same, this is the outcome, this is the price, guaranteed that if people can't understand all the gobbledygook above the line, they'll go to the one thing they can understand, and that's the dollars. Yep. So be different and look at ways to be able to articulate that so people can clearly see how you are different. That takes another skill set. That takes you stepping out of your comfort zone. That takes you down a direction that you may never have been before, but also have you produce results you've never got before. And the third reason why it may appear that people have gone with the other company just purely on price is because they haven't built up enough trust and certainty with you or your brand. And we talk about this in our workshops and in the training we do with our clients, that the problem below the problem is what we need to address. Now, people may need X fixed or Y serviced or Z taken care of. But underneath all of that, what they're thinking of is, I know you can do that part, but can I trust you with certainty to solve my problem? Now, one of the reasons why people may go with a cheaper price, again, is because they cannot see that investing with you at a higher price is going to give them a greater level of certainty and trust with your brand. So how are you building that trust and certainty with your potential customers? That's another topic of conversation, but I want you to think about the more time and the more energy, the more focus you have on building the trust and the certainty with potential customers and how you position yourself, the greater ability to win more work at a higher margin that works for you and it works for the customer at the same time. So there's some little snapshots to consider. If you'd like some support in learning more about how we can help you with any of that, particularly in winning higher priced jobs at higher margins with more certainty and trust for the customer, please be in touch. All the best.